Hey guys, Fry here. A few minutes ago, I got my 10.39 PB single, and I got the super lucky scramble with an easy double X cross, and at the end I got a PLR skip. So the scramble should be down in the descriptions. It's done with white on top and green on the front. Okay, so first thing I've noticed is these two, which can form the two white cross edges like this. And then I saw this huge block over here, which can be preserved like this. And then I did a keyhole to insert this one. Another keyhole to insert this one. And then I did this pier right here. So instead of doing it at the back, I decided to rotate because my finger tricks on the left were super bad. And then for this one, I rotated again because I just like to do things on my right hand, because for this alg on the left hand, I'm not really comfortable with it. So, and then a really easy OLO 56. With the AOF of U prime. So let's quickly do that again. First, insert this edge, bring this above over here. To preserve this one, I did this, and then keyhole to insert this one, another keyhole to insert this one, rotate to insert this one, and then easy OLO with a PLR skip. And thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.